Have you heard of Alamour The Label? Well, don't waste money on this Australian brand. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you why you shouldn't waste your money on the Australian brand called Alamour The Label. I've had so many incidents with this brand and it's to a point where I need to save someone from facing and dealing with the same experiences that I dealt with. If you haven't heard of Alamour The Label, it is this Australian brand that specializes in formal wear and evening wear. And I learned about the brand through Instagram via an ad. So you know those Instagram ads that pop up? One time this ad popped up and the model that was wearing this one specific dress just looked so nice in the dress. You know, the ad captured my eye. So I wanted to check out this brand and see what it was all about. And that's how the story started. So this brand also has a sister store called A&N Luxe Label. And it also does specialize in formal wear. However, it doesn't have a lot of variety compared to Alamour The Label. Now, the first time I shopped from these two sites, they're pretty much the same thing, honestly, same inventory. One just has more options than the other. First time I shopped from them was beginning of last year when I was looking for a changing dress for our wedding. I ordered the dress and I got it 2 months later. And the reason it took that long was because it was a made to order dress. And essentially that means that the physical dress is not in stock. So you have to place an order and then they make it from scratch. And that's one thing that's mostly frustrating about this website is that almost all their inventory is meant to order, or if it's not meant to order, it is a pre-order item. Anyway, so I ordered my dress. My dress comes 2 months later. I come to find out that the dress was a very small size. Now, I'm usually a size 2 in all my dresses, like all my formal wear, I wear size 2. Well, this is prior to baby. And I got the dress was very small, size 2, and so I emailed them and I complained because there was no disclaimer on their website that says that our dresses run small or this specific dress runs small. So I feel like that was false advertising and it was annoying because now I had to ship the dress back to Australia. It sucked. And also, by the time I got the dress, our wedding was merely a month away, but thank God, because COVID happened, we had to postpone our wedding. So I didn't even have to worry about, not having a changing dress in time of the wedding. So I email them and I say, this dress doesn't fit right. I need to return it. Then I learned about their return policy. Their return policy does not entail you getting a refund. They only give you store credit. So when I learned about that, I was like, well, this is frustrating. Now I don't even know what my exact size is for this specific site. And I just basically have to gamble. Even worse, when you return that item that you got in the mail that didn't fit right, you are responsible for all the shipping and delivery fees. Now remember, you're shipping to Australia, which is a country on the other side of the world. It's not Canada or Mexico. You're shipping to Australia. It cost me over $50-something just to ship the dress. And that does not include the shipping package, and all that. Overall, I spent over $60 to ship back a $300 dress, okay? I shipped the dress back and I was like, this is so frustrating. Now I have to order another dress. So I ordered a size 4. Size 2 was a little bit tight. Size 4 will give me more wiggle room. I ordered a size 4, comes back 2 months later, and it fits right. So I was like, okay, good. I'm good to go. Well, then I got pregnant, and now the dress doesn't fit. So that's not their problem, but, I had to go through a whole thing with finding a seamstress to make it wide. That's not for this video, but that happened. I got a size 4, and that dress worked out fine. So I thought to myself, okay, I like the quality of their dresses, and I'll say that they have really good quality dresses and nice styles, but they don't have a lot of variety. The inventory that they have right now has been on their website for over 2 years, which is a little bit, I don't know, that will turn someone away. If you're not refreshing your inventory, if you're not bringing new evening wear items, people are just gonna look somewhere else because you're not giving them something brand new to look at. Now they do have a new collection, which is more of like a summer dress style collection, and that is freshly new. So that's different from the formal wear. If you go on their website, you'll see that they have that collection for the summertime, which is beautiful. But if you're looking at formal wear and you know you've been looking on their website for a very long time, you will notice that they do not refresh their inventory. So now I have the second dress. I got it in the right size. We're good to go. Then I get pregnant. So now I don't know if the second dress is gonna work out. So I went back on their website, which I probably shouldn't have done, okay? And I decided to get a third dress. Now the reason I got a third dress was, one, we'd postponed our wedding a year from the original date. So I had a whole year to tweak and change things around the wedding, including how many dresses I wanted to wear. So I went on their website, I picked this one specific dress. It said it was stretchy, so I said, okay, you know, maybe it will be perfect by the time the wedding comes along. It'll be a perfect dress to accommodate my bump. Well, little did I know, when you're pregnant, your baby grows every day and your belly grows too. So I got a size 4 again, and the only reason I got a 4 is because the dress said that it was stretchy. So I was thinking maybe it could stretch to a size 6 or a size 8, who knows. Anyways, I get the dress, I place an order, I get the dress a couple months later just because it was a med to order dress, and it came here after 2 or something months. So I get the dress doesn't fit, it was really tight around my belly, and I had to ship it back. I shipped back that dress, I paid $60 in shipping fees. I remember that very well because it was recent. It was 2 months ago when I shipped back the dress. Think about it, I've already spent about $120 in shipping fees for both dresses that I had to return. No one has time to spend that. Like, that's money you can use to buy a dress somewhere. You know, not spending it on shipping fees. No one has time for that. So I don't understand why their inventory is really low, why their sizes always run out. And if you will notice on their website, almost all the small to extra large dresses sell out. Almost all of them. It's because their sizes run small. So people have realized if you're naturally a size 2, on their website you're going to be a size 6. So that's why all the smalls, mediums, large, and extra larges sell out. And they also do have like XX small or X small. No, extra small is not your size. That's for like people that are just, I don't even know. Don't even look there. Now I look on their website and search through their inventory to see what I can actually use my store credit to buy, and they don't have a lot of variety. I remember when I saw something that I wanted, like really wanted to buy, it was out of stock. So these are 3 things that are very annoying about this website. Like, write these things down. If something is not out of stock, which a lot of their inventory is out of stock, your size, you won't find your size. They always run out of sizes, okay? Or it's either a pre-order dress, which means you place the order now, but the dress is not in stock and they don't know when it will be in stock. They'll just let you know that your dress is in stock. Now we can ship it. So it's basically you're making a payment for something that's not even there yet. Then it can either be pre-order or med to order, which means, like I told you earlier, you place an order and they start making the dress from scratch. So those are 4 things, actually not 3, 4 things that are so frustrating about this website. I found that so frustrating. You have no idea. You know, I had this store credit. I was thinking the wedding is around the corner, because then now I changed my mind. I was thinking rather than getting a third changing dress, I'll just get a dress for the bridal shower. So now I'm thinking, okay, I need to find a dress, but what dress? Everything that I want is out of stock. They don't have the sizes. It's either on pre-order and it's going to be here sometime in late July, which will be way after the wedding, or it's a pre-order dress. So you know what I mean? It was annoying. So I decided to just settle. Honestly, I settled and I just got some dress to just take advantage of that store credit and get my dress on time. Now, what I ended up doing was just ordering the dresses in a size extra large, only because I'm pregnant and I didn't want to get a smaller size and have to deal with the stress of returning the dress and it not even being back here on time for the wedding. So I just got an extra large size, and I figured when I get it, I'll just take it to a seamstress who can just bring it down or tailor it to my body size. So honestly, if you're thinking about shopping on this website, tread lightly because it's a lot of stress, a lot of unwanted anxiety having to deal with customer service. Customer service is great, I'll say that. I mean, I emailed them multiple times and I even asked, can you please just give me a refund because you guys don't have anything in your inventory, no sizes. You guys do not put a disclaimer saying this dress runs small, this dress runs big, none of that. And so, and you don't have a lot of things for me to choose from. So what am I supposed to do? And all they said that, sorry, this is our return policy. You only get store credit. And so I was frustrated. So anyways, I ended up settling for the dress that I got. And that was just that, you know, I was just tired of having to go back and forth with customer service people and telling them this and then them telling me that. So it was just a lot. So I stopped even dealing with that and I just made the purchase and I did that. That's what I wanted to share with you guys here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to show it some love, give the video a thumbs up, drop comments. You know, you can even dislike the video, it's still engagement. Just support your girl and support the channel. And also do not forget to subscribe. I appreciate you stopping by and I will see you in my next video. Bye.